Hi, welcome to this short video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about extracting reports. So suppose that you've made your alignment, you've made the vertical profile, and you want to extract a report. How would you do that? So the trick is about going to this tab, okay? Just hit on the toolbox and you will see something called Reports Manager. Hit on it, then you'll see the alignment. Click on the alignment. Suppose that you want to choose to have a report about the alignment curve. So double click on it. Wait. Okay, so as you can see here, we have this window. So what we're gonna do easily, we are going to hit OK, and I'm going to be saving this on my desktop, and I hit save. Wait for it until it's done. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so here it is. Okay, I'm going to use the Internet Explorer. Alright, so as you see, this is a report for the curves and horizontal alignment. Let's see. Okay, alignment curve report. Circle curve, the delta, radius, type. Okay, so these are the information about the alignment we made, which is called exam 1, as you saw before. So you have a lot of information, a lot of data. So this way you can make your report. It's an easy way. Okay, it could help you avoid losing a lot of time. So this is it. Thank you for your watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Abbas was with you. Bye bye.